All right, for the last part of our lesson, we are on page 87, and we're going to do the step it out problem at the top. Question number 2. The first Ferris wheel could carry 2,160 passengers per rotation. Suppose 4 groups rode the Ferris wheel with every seat filled each time. Emma says that 8,640 people rode the Ferris wheel. Is Emma's statement reasonable? So we need to estimate 4 times 2,160. So to help us be able to estimate, we're going to use a number line to think about where that number would fall and what 2 numbers it falls in between. So part A, identify the 2,000s that 2,160 is between. Circle them on the number line. Okay, 2,160. Well, that's going to be more than 2,000, right? And it said to circle the 2,000s that it's between. So 2,500 isn't showing the thousands. But I know that 2,160 is more than 2,000, but it is less than 3,000. Okay, so that number, 2,160, falls somewhere in between these two on the number line. So for part B, we're going to use those 2,000s to estimate 2 products that the exact product is between. We're going to take those 2 numbers, 2,000 and 3,000, to be able to find about how many people rode on the Ferris wheel. So the first one, we're going to use 2,000, 4 times 2,000. And let's go ahead and solve that. 4 times 2,000, we have a basic fact of 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And there are 1, 2, 3 zeros. So that estimate would be 8,000, okay? Then our other number we circled on the number line was 3,000. So we're going to solve 4 times 3,000. We have a basic fact of 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And then there are 1, 2, 3 zeros. So that one would be 12,000. That means that we know since 2,160 is between 2,000 and 3,000, we know that the product of 4 times 2,160 is between, here's one of our products, 8,000 and 12,000. Okay, Emma's estimate was 8,640. Is her estimate reasonable? Yes, it is, because it falls in between 8,000 and 12,000. 8,640 is more than 8,000, but it is less than 12,000. So we can say that her estimate is reasonable.